Okay, so we are in our first position. We had a bit of a bullish push up into the 7-11 range. My first entry for short is in. I'm looking for a second short at 7.13, and we're actually going to go 7.13.50, and then I'm going to put my stop at the high of the day. Oh. Go with that? Yeah. We're going to leave 7.13.50. And then our stop for everything is going to be 7.15.86. Let's move this watch line to clean up my messy chart. This is an hourly support line. This is an inside bar. Low of day yesterday. Lower day prior, I call it. And this is the high day prior, this blue line up here. So why we're looking short is because of the size of the sell-off. The potential for this to be a 15-minute lower high as well. We have numerous points of potential resistance up here. We have this DM intraday pivot and the 200. So okay, we're filled on our second, so now let's put our stop in. Let's put our stop in 7.15.86. Go 7.16.01. Bulls could see a new high day here. 2 minutes overbought. The bull case is we just see an hourly trend change here, so that's what I'm betting against. Am I still recording? I am. Tremendous. Hoping this 5 minute on the top right chart, the 5 minute 200 is an area where bulls will pause. They may break above, but potential resistance. I'm going to slow them down for a minute at least. Here comes the high day test. Pull this up to 2 minutes. See what's going on. See how much pullback if we can get a 2 minute higher low here. What's my average? What is my average? 7.12.25. So if we can get down to the 7.10s, cover half, and then we'll be pretty close to break even. Otherwise we might just get stopped out. Straight up. Bulls are strong. SPY is also pausing at that same 5 minute 200 moving average, so if we see a bit of a short-term consolidation here, that'll help us. XLF near low a day. QQQ, that's where the strength's coming from, tech. As per usual. So I am interested in selling half to protect against this bull case. This could just be a 2-minute bull flag even, so just gonna wait and be patient. A bit more follow through here. All right. Alright, so we are out half. We are out half. And my stop is looking good now. So comfy, I love that. I live for that comfy feeling, you know what I'm saying? Out half and coasting. Potential all lower high against high a day. 2-minute higher low. Could still technically be a bull flag, maybe not now. Less likely now. Of course, you always have that immediate regret when you see a bit more pullback. I should have waited, but that's all right. Bull's gonna retest. 5-minute bull flag. See if they can do it. If they do it, this 4-hour higher low is looking real nice. And then the next level for bears is a 4-hour lower high under this resistance cluster, 734, and then you have another one at 736.90, 740, 16. Not to say I'll play it. Who knows, maybe I'll be bull by then. Just wait. Sipping coffee. Come on, bears. Fellow bears. My stop's at 716.01. Wanted that 716 psych resistance as well, in case we saw a bull break, no follow through. Like 15 cents a fall of buffer. Had a couple of scalps this morning to give me some wiggle room as well, so no sense in tripping over pennies in this scenario anyways. Oh, I need a yoga session today. At home, of course. Alright, what's going on? Maybe I should watch some tape here. The thing I don't like about tape is you can't see any relative prices, you know? Like I can't see levels, I can't see support resistance levels. I gotta keep going back to the chart to look at where my levels are and then see what kind of buying and selling is going on around those levels. That's what I don't like about the tape. But still learning because I'm sure it can be used. Everybody always raves on better. Potential 2-minute EQ forming here. Come on, Bears, lose that 2-minute uptrend. Papa needs a day maker. If not, it's payday for my desk job, so whatevs, you know? Otherwise, it's just a 2-minute higher low and higher high. Bulls are happy. I'd like to get under and stay under this intraday pivot too. Just under the 712.35 price. That'd be nice. This opening drive play was really nice. Obviously this yellow line wasn't here, it just marks high day, but rejection from the 200, rejection from the intraday pivot, dump, 5-minute oversold bounce, 5-minute trend change into an hourly lower high, hopefully is the idea. Bulls might be just fine here. 2-minute higher low and higher high test, see if we can follow through, and then high the bounce and high day. The next resistances. The volume looked good on this pullback and is looking kind of weak right now. So volume looked good here. Little volume climax on the pump. Good pullback. There's some bull volume mixed in here. And then some kind of indecision here. Indecision, indecision, indecision. Need to see some volume coming up here, or bears take control. SPY's also testing the 5-minute 200. A potential bear flag on that if it can't break bull. Otherwise Tesla's forming a nice 2-minute here. I could hedge my position, but I'm not going to. My account wouldn't let me. I'm not sure if other brokers let you do that. Carry along in a short position in the same name at the same time, but Questrade does not, to my knowledge. Volume's not really telling me much on the 2-minute anyways. 5-minute could still be a bull flag. That's just being temporarily squished by this 200 moving average. It's going to be the longest recording ever, by the way. I wonder if anyone's actually going to listen to it, even if I post it. Some active bulls now, volume picking up. High day test, not looking good for bears in my short position. RIP. Now you look at the tape. Now let's see what's going on. Sure pretty, lots of flashy numbers. Initial rejection. Lots of selling. Lots of buying to lift it back up. There's a battle. It looks like the bulls have more volume here. Bulls are winning. Bulls are definitely winning. Lots of buying coming in now. More. Tons of buying coming in. Tons of buying volume. And we up. Congrats, bulls.